Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Apple Pay at ATM to get cash. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. If you don't have physical card and you want to use the Apple Pay and you have added the card in your Apple Pay, just simply have to go to the setting first and confirm that if you have added the card in Apple Pay. So first you have to add the card in Apple Pay. So go there and just simply have to go to add card, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to debit or credit card, and you have to go to continue, and here you have to scan the card first. And if you want to enter the card's detail manually, just simply have to enter the card detail manually. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back. Now from here guys, let me tell you that if you want to use your Apple Pay to get cash from the ATM, just simply have to make sure that if this type of sign is showing on the ATM. If this type of sign is showing at the ATM guys, just simply have to go to the Apple Pay and just simply have to tap on that, and from here guys you can find the card here. Okay guys, just simply have to select the card. So you can find number of cards here, 1 2 3. If you have a lot of cards, just simply have to select that card. After selecting the card guys, just simply have to hold your device near this sign, and after that guys, the ATM machine will ask for pin. So just simply have to enter the pin of your ATM card, and after that guys, you have to follow the process that you usually do on ATM. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.